Hi, Jill Bienenstock here. This is week 1 of our woodworking series, and we're going to be talking about the hammer. So once you have your location, now you have to figure out what type of tools you're going to introduce to your kids. I like to introduce one tool at a time. We want to put the hand on the wooden part, not the metal part. Kids will first start to use the hammer by holding up at the top of the hammer and then working their ways down. We want to start having the kids use baby steps. They want to figure out what nails to use first. I like to use the roofing nails first because it has a big head on them. If you use the skinnier nails, that's great too, but they have to be more exact with their eye-hand coordination. The big thicker nails they'll figure out might crack the wood versus the skinnier nails. So there's lots of opportunities for the kids to experiment and have it be child-led. We want kids to get used to all different types of tools because then when they make something, they are confident and capable with doing that. We want them to succeed. If we introduce something too structured at the beginning, it becomes our project and not theirs.